guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing with you what I got inside my Sephora goodie bag. So if you want to see what all is in here, just keep watching. Alright, first off I'm going to pull kind of the bigger items out and then we'll get down into the other things. First things first, this is like a Sephora bag, it looks like, and like a bar of soap. I don't know. Oh, it's a drunk elephant bar, and it just says Juju bar? Okay. And the bag is just a clear a clear bag. And then there was this inside. Oh, it's a scarf. Okay. That's cute. That's pretty cute. Look at that. Nice. Okay, that's our first item. Next is this one, and it is a Sephora mask. It's a pretty heavy mask, actually, and it has like this gel inside it, and it's super soft on the inside next to your eyes. This is like squishy, so I think you could either heat it up or you could freeze it, and that would be really nice for like a headache, you know what I mean? When you got a really bad headache. So that's cool. Into the samples. First we have a sample of the Clinique ID Dramatically Different Hydrating Gel. Okay. We also got another drunk elephant item. This is the Retinol cream and the Intensive Hydrating Serum. So they're just like little sachets. Okay, we got a Bare Minerals Gen Nude Lip Lacquer. Cute in Darling. There it is there. That's cute. Just do a quick swatch. Oh, it smells pretty. That's really nice. I like that. That's pretty. Okay. I'm going to pull out another lip color. This is the Smashbox. Smashbox. That's all it says. It doesn't say a color. It doesn't say nothing. Alright. There it is there. Very similar colors. Obviously Smashbox is a little bit darker, but very similar. Let's see. Ooh, okay, we have a Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Powder Foundation. This is in toffee, so this will be a bronzer or a contour on me. But let's see what this little sample looks like. Oh my god. Okay, so this package, this box came with a teeny tiny little powder puff and a teeny tiny little, can you see that? Little container. Here it is there. For sure this will be like a bronzer for me, but teeny tiny. Next is another Bare Minerals item. The Prime Time Original Foundation Primer. Foundation. Just a teeny tiny little tube of the primer, and it's pretty full, so that's cool. Okay, we got a Fresh Sugar Rose Lip Treatment. Let's see. Oh, it's so teeny tiny and cute. Okay, let's see. Oh, it unscrews just like the big one. And there's that. Oh, it smells lemony. I wonder if it has any color. Very, very sheer color. You're not going to be able to see that from back here. Ooh, I got a decent size sample of the Jack Black Oil Control Toner with red microalgae and salicylic acid. And this is a 0.95 fluid ounces. Almost a fluid ounce. That's pretty good. We also got this. This is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Isn't that cute? It's like a green, light green moisturizer. Ooh, and it smells so good. I got a setting spray. Shake well, it says. This is the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. Isn't that cute? Just a little... Can you see? There. Okay, I got another fresh item. This is a Lotus Youth Preserve Day Face Cream. Super Lotus Night Recovery. Oh, Dream Face Cream. Super Lotus Night Recovery. It's night cream. That would kind of explain why it's in a dark blue bottle. Anyway, super cute. I will definitely try this out. Got a sample of the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. The Bigger Baddier Volume Mascara. So just like a little tube. I'm not going to open it because I actually already have one going, but here's that. I got a little foil package of the Glam Glow Good in Bed Passionfruit Softening Night Cream. I will definitely give this a shot. Another Kate Somerville product, the Retinol Vitamin C Power Serum Firming and Brightening Treatment. That's cute. Comes with a little pump. It's very cute. I've never tried any of her products, so that'll be exciting. I did get 3 perfume samples in here, and they're all Jo Malone. This one's wood, sage, and sea salt, basil and Nerlo, I think, and lime, basil, and mandarin. So I don't really like any of them. I've smelt them, so I don't know what I'll do with these. I got a soap and sulfate free Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Cleansing Gel, and it is just a teeny tiny little, this is like 2 uses. Now onto the things that I thought were most exciting. I got 2 Lemaire The Cleansing Foam samples, so I'm excited to try these. I got the Lemaire The Regenerating Serum. I got Lemaire's The Eye Balm Intense. I got the Lemaire The Treatment Lotion. I got the Lemaire The Perfecting Treatment, just this little tiny bottle here. And the Creme de Lemaire Moisturizing Cream. So I got a whole bunch of Lemaire samples, so I'm super excited about these. And that's everything I got in this cute little Sephora sample bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know if you've tried any of these products and what you think of them. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.